Wait a minute, I think that I did the math all wrong. I should have checked before I started writing this song. Because 83 years at $1,000,000 a month leaves you 4,000,000 short of your first $1,000,000,000. If you had only lobbied smarter, taxed the middle class far harder, you could have gone 4,000,000 farther. Then you would finally be a billionaire. Just sold your soul for millions from the second you breathed air. Screw kids, the sick and elderly, you earned it fair and square. They'll all be dead before they see your $1,000,000,000 shared. La 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 la. You need $1,000,000 a month. Think you can earn quite that much? La 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 la. For 83 years until we choked on our tears. Huh.